Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a dark glow coloring for your video or photos in Capcut. So here I have already imported a photo, and you can also use this coloring for your videos if you want. Then after that, you can just go to filter, then click on the movies category, and then select the high saturations filter and set it to about 50. Click on the check icon, and now click on the filter again, and then another filter here. Click on the mono, then select the BW3 filter, set it to around 50. Click on the check icon again, and lastly, this is the third filter that you need to add. Click on live, then click on the amber filter. Okay, this one, and set it to around 15. After that, you can click on adjust and use this setting. For the brightness, increase it to 10, contrast 20, and then saturation 5. Click on the exposure and lower it to 10, sharpen 100, and click on highlight and increase it to around 25. Lastly, click on the temperature, increase it to 30. And now you are done, and here is the dark glow coloring. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.